Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you an all-new Wltoy RC car sent by eCam Online 2012. Now, I got this from the eBay store itself, so if you guys want your very own, check out the link down below in the description. Now, the interesting thing about this particular RC car is an actual drift RC car that's at a 1/28 scale. So literally you get a full drift car in a tiny package. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here's our box. On the cover itself, it does resemble the RC car. This one here's a Tonka truck, but in this one we have the Porsche 911. Now this is by Wltoys, which makes a lot of great RC cars. So keep in mind this is a 4-wheel drive RTR and it shoots at over 30 kilometers per hour, so that's actually really fast for a tiny scale car. Now on the back here it shows all the different body styles that they have. So they have the Porsche, a buggy, rally car, a truck, Tonka truck, and just a regular SUV. So really cool design, comes with an RC car, a motor, as well as a transmitter, and so on and so forth. It's got a metal frame, so it should be quite interesting. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this just slides right out just like that, and right here we see our car. Wow, that thing's really small. And then on the bottom here we do see the remote itself. Now Wltoys makes really great remotes from the previous models, and you can actually see that there's a lot of high quality to it, and it really does make you feel like you're driving a really cool RC car. I mean, you can even see a nice foam cushion over here. You got some flames, an antenna that actually folds in. Even this here is made out of rubber, so it's actually a really cool high design. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. And the next thing we'll do is take out our RC car itself. Alright, so this here's our car, and you can actually see it's made out of a nice high quality piece. It's got multiple colors on it as well as decals. It weighs about a few pounds. I wouldn't say it's too much. The bottom part itself is made out of a nice aluminum chassis that's actually got a nice reflective to it. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like underneath. There we go. And you can see everything's nicely compacted. We got our battery pack here, we got our motor here, and then we have our antenna over here as well. The suspension itself, it does have springs on there, so it actually does resemble it quite well. So you can take different bumps and kind of just maneuver it almost as like a real life size drift car. So let's go ahead and mount that back up, and then take a look at this. This here is our charger. Alright, so this here is our charger, in which it's actually just a direct plug into the wall, so a very simple design. Now this one particularly did come with an adapter for my US charger, so do keep that in mind when you do purchase it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and fire this baby up and see what it's all about. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this out. Now in terms of controls go, it's quite simple. This here, so turn it, and then we have our throttle. If you push it, it'll go forward. You press it back, it'll go in reverse. Just like that. And then literally as soon as it starts moving, it does start sliding. You see like that right there. So, you know, you do have a lot of different controls with it. Now, I do recommend playing it in a larger space, as it is not really a tabletop kind of drift car. It does require a little bit more power for it just to kind of slide it around. So with that being said, let's go ahead and try this out on the floor. So it's literally like figure skating. Obviously it's a little bit more difficult compared to a bigger RC car, but it does drive quite well. Now in terms of the handling, it's not that hard. It does take some getting used to. And compared to other RC cars, it's not that loud as well, which is really good because you can actually play this anywhere you want to. There you go, look at that. Sweet, I'm doing donuts! It's actually kind of fun. I can imagine having two of these and like setting up a little rink. It'd be a lot of fun just to kind of play around. And yeah, there you have it. Pretty cool stuff. Woohoo! You can do donuts too. Alright, well there you have it. This RC drift car is a lot of fun. Not to mention it actually resembles a full-on drift car in a tiny package. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.